Jump. Wow.
Yeah, shot. Yeah, shot.
Is this a big shower for you? It's a big shower, huh? Big bathtub. The shower.
With some bubbles. Baby, he's got a unibrow. Oh, heck no. Where did he get that from?
My dad. Well, at least I know you're mine. You inherited the Naruto unibrow. Got it out of the picture.
Bubbles. Okay, jump. Baby.
Throw some water on it.
No, it's out. I put it on the pool.
In the pool? I don't even want to go in there now, thanks.
Shut up.
You shut up. Did you just say the word on the camera?
Yeah.
Did you hear that, Grandma? Your grandson Michael just said the fudge word on camera.
Got you! Not me. Hey! You don't jerk me. Hey, kick the mommy, go to mommy, kick the mommy. Kick, swim, 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 kick.
He's giving me a dirty look. He is. Hurry, Michael, I'll save you. I'll save you.
Okay, get out, jump in. Get out and jump in. Wait a minute, wait. Post this on Facebook. Ready? Copper tone. Say, kiss my.
Hey, stop it, Dad. Hey! Put those shorts back up. Michael Joseph. I am telling on you. When you're about 22 with your girlfriend, I'm showing this to her. That you used to pull down your pants. Pull your pants back up. Up. That's not appropriate. Pull them up.
Pull your pants up, Michael. Pull them up, baby. Pull them up.
Okay, say bye, Grandma. Say bye. Look, over here. Say bye.
Bye, Grandma.
I love you.
Love you.
See you soon.
See you.
Say bye.